Oh, crikey! That croc nearly bit off my foot. Just another day in the outback. So, let's see. Now we need to do a little business. This episode's sponsor is MixedTees.com. They sell super manly shirts and tank tops that you can rip out of like
Steve?
the Hulk.
Steve, it's not manly.
Right?
It's nerdy couture.
What?
Nerdy couture.
Nerdy couture?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Nerd
Nerdy stuff.
Super nerd stuff.
Okay. Well, I guess they are paying the bills.
Nerds are paying the bills.
MixedTees.com. Cool nerdy shirts, tank tops, hoodies, and tote bags. Be you a man, Sheila, or a baby Joey. It doesn't matter. Check them out, mate. Now, let's go see if we can get that t-shirt they sent us off Marvin. Kangaroos think they are so stinking smart.